I'm Divyashree. I have about 2 years of experience in data analysis. Analysis is basically of 3 parts, that is what, why and how. My what was what do I want next from my career, which is I want to get to the next level. Why? Because I have the desire and willingness and the curiosity to know what happens next, how the analysis takes place. And how was an unanswered question to which I got the perfect answer, and that is K2 Analytics. K2 Analytics starts from teaching you basic programming, that is R and Python, in a very detailed manner. To statistics and all the basic mathematical concepts that are needed to understand statistics, to machine learning algorithms, and further to artificial intelligence. I would really like to thank K2 Analytics for giving me the confidence and perspective towards this new world of data science. Thank you, K2 Analytics.